Congratulations on completing the complete course on Autodesk PowerMill. Your dedication to mastering the intricacies of one of the most advanced CAM software tools is truly commendable. Throughout this course, you have gained a comprehensive understanding of various machining strategies, from basic 2D toolpaths to advanced 5-axis techniques. By engaging in practical assignments and hands-on projects, you have developed the skills necessary to tackle real-world machining challenges confidently. As you move forward, consider how you can apply what you have learned in your current projects or explore new opportunities in your career. We encourage you to practice regularly, connect with peers in online forums or local users group, and stay updated on the latest development in PowerMill and CNC machining. We hope this course has inspired you and ignite a passion for continuous learning in the realm of CNC machining and manufacturing. Thank you for being a part of this learning community. We wish you all the best in your future endeavor and looking forward to see the incredible work you will accomplish with Autodesk PowerMill. Happy machining!